Hello and welcome everybody to another unboxing and first impressions video on this beautiful Guerlain fragrance. So what we have here is Encens Mythique, and this is an eau de parfum released as part of the Aqua Allegoria range. That's the new name. This range changed names at least once, and they come in the same bottles as the Aqua Allegorias, but these are generally solid colored, so not see-through, and are kind of inspired by Middle Eastern fragrances. So this one is called Mythical Incense. Here you go. There's the bottle. And Mythical Incense is very promising because I like my incense. Here goes the label. The bottle is like a very dark gray, semi-translucent. You can kind of see the level of the juice, but it's very dark. And also this bottle style changed. I think one of the earlier bottles was a gray color. And this is just a re-release, in fact, of a even older scent that came in a clear, more rectangular bottle. So I'm sure it has changed over the years, but yeah, this is what we got now. In fact, again, I'm not sure if they still produce it because I cannot find it on the website of Guerlain, but availability is still very good. You can still pick these up in a lot of places. And yeah, I'm very curious what I think. This was a scent that I heard a lot of good things about, so I wanted to see for myself. Let's give this one a try on blotter. So I did my 2 sprays on the blotter. Interesting. So yeah, this starts off kind of... This actually is puzzling. This starts off kind of fresh, I want to say. There's spices in there. There's some florally sweetness. I think I smell some of the incense. But it also has something woody. But this is generally not easy. Not easy to decode. This is kind of, in fact, it's kind of airy. So yeah, there's something ethereal about it. And there's something that I kind of read as like a petrol note, but it doesn't smell overly chemical, if that makes sense. Oh, maybe what I'm thinking of is like a mineralic quality. Yeah, and a pepperiness. So this pepperiness and the mineralic quality, when they come together, they sometimes give me a petrol idea. And the sweetness, I think, comes from a rose. There's like this soft, I want to say more dry rose. So the scent reads as dry. There's some warmth in there. So I think the incense comes off as cold, but there's like some warmth lurking in the base of the scent. there's not this usual vanillic sweetness, so the sweetness comes solely from, I think, the rose and maybe the incense. This is actually super intriguing. And I love it because I love rose and I love incense and I love spices. But this also is not too heavy. So you get all these very Middle Eastern ideas, but with a certain French sensibility, I would say. Okay, I want to see what the notes say. So this one was released in 2012 originally, though that was probably in the original bottle style. I don't know when this one was released, maybe years later. Okay, the notes are aldehydes, rose, saffron, pink pepper, patchouli, vetiver, incense, woods, and ambergris. So I think the aldehydes give that sort of freshness at the top, that sort of ethereal quality. And the saffron and pepper definitely I get. Yeah, there's some earthiness from the patchouli. The vetiver, I would say, just gives some woodiness again. Yeah, I think the vetiver gives that woodiness, and maybe the ambergris and incense give that mineralic quality. So I think Mythique, so maybe some people don't like the name because it changed, but this is mythical to me. This is kind of mysterious. This is something that I want to explore more, and I think this is something that really needs to be put on skin. So I don't know if I can wear this a ton in the summer, but I will try to, and I really, really need to wear this more often. That is so mineralic. There's maybe something ozonic, like something of a sea breeze to it. I don't think I'm going to be able to fully decode this right now. But there you go, some first impressions. If this is discontinued, I would suggest you check it out while you can, because availability is still good. And yeah, I think if you like rose, if you like mineralic scents, if you like, there's some earthiness as well. If you like something that's unconventional and that kind of pulls you into a mysterious smoke or fog, then check this out. I'm actually quite impressed. Even though I still haven't figured it out, I'm very impressed. So, there you go. First impressions. Oh, done by Thierry Wasser, by the way, as well. So the guy at Guerlain at the moment. Yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other next time.